Discount Forklift in Denver, filling in for Joel and Taryn down in our Phoenix location. Right now, I'm standing in front of your John Deere 310K equipment matchmaker, Audra. Last of the serial number is 9779. In my hand here, you're going to see our Do You Even Lift Bro forklift operator canvas bag, and inside you're going to get Octane forklift hat, a Do You Even Lift Bro t-shirt, and a forklift maintenance guide. Inside here, you're going to have daily forklift pre-shift operation inspection checklists, as well as a 6-week, 250-hour forklift maintenance checklist and a 12-month, 2,000-hour forklift maintenance checklist. Comes standard with all of our pieces of equipment that we sell. This will be inside the cab. If you notice here, you'll see our service stickers on each side of the machine. Last serviced on September 21st, 2022 by our technician, Junior. So I'm going to hop in and show you some functions. Always remember safety first. Buckle up. I hope you enjoy your new John Deere 310K, and we'll show you the data tag now.